morning, dear students. In the last video, we have discussed exercise 9.2, question number 1. So now we have to start question number 2. So let's start now. In all these in all these parts, we see that we have minus sign in between. It means we have to subtract these rational numbers. Whenever we have to subtract or we have to add two rational number, we have to make the denominator equal. And how we can make the denominator equal? You all know we have done in question number 1 by taking LCM or by multiplying both numbers, both denominator with a common number. Okay, common number means to make common denominator, we have to think that the number which is given in the denominator, which number will come as a common number in their table. Okay, so and second thing we have to remember, we have to open the bracket. We have to open the bracket, and whenever we will open the bracket, we will follow a rule. Okay, it means same sign plus will come, opposite sign always minus will come. So, come on first part, 7 upon 24 minus 17 upon 36. Okay, so first we have to make denominator equal. Okay, because we have find only single sign is there, so no need to make two sign into single sign. So now we have to take the LCM. We have to make the denominator equal. 24 and 36 LCM is 72. Okay, the LCM, you have to take the LCM 72, or in 24 and 36 table, 72 number is a common. Okay, it means now we have to make the denominator 72. So we have to multiply 24 by 3 and 36 we have to multiply by 2. Okay, so when we have multiply by 3, 24 3s are, then we got 72, and 7 3s are, we got 21. Similarly, 17 2s are 34, 36 2s are 72. Okay, now denominator become equal. After denominator become equal, just subtract numerators. Okay, so this 21 is having plus sign and 34 is having minus sign before the number. It means plus, minus, we have to do plus minus, minus. We have to minus two numbers. 34 minus 21 is 13. Okay, and 34 is greater, it means minus 13 will come. Okay, now next we have to see whether this is a proper fraction. Yes, this is a proper fraction. 72 is greater, so no need to change into mix, and it is in the simplest form also. Okay, second part, 5 upon 63 minus 6 upon 21. Okay, so here we are saying that we have two sign, one minus sign in between, and secondly we have minus 6 upon 21, two sign. It means we have to make two sign into one sign. Following the rules, the minus will be plus. Same sign, always plus will come. Opposite sign, minus will come. Okay, so now we have make one into one sign. Now second step, we have to make the denominator equal. So 63 and 21, LCM will be 63. Okay, it means we have 63 is a common number in 63 and 21 table. This is already 63, so we have to multiply by 1, or if you don't want to multiply by 1, then you can leave also. Okay, 21 3s are 63, then we have to multiply in numerator also, because whenever we multiply in denominator, we have to multiply with the same number in numerator also. Okay, now denominator become equal. Now numerator, this is having plus 5, this is having plus 18. So what we have to do? Simply we have to add plus plus plus. It means 5 plus 18 will be 23. 23 upon 63. Now we have to check whether it is in the simplest form. Yes, it is in simplest form. It cannot be cancelled by any table. It is in standard form. Secondly, this is a proper fraction, so no need to change into mix. Okay, come on third part, minus 6 upon 13 minus 7 upon 15. Okay, so minus 6 upon 13. Now two sign into one sign, minus plus 7 upon 15. Now take the LCM 13 and 15. That is a 175. 13 and 15 LCM will be 175. 195. Okay, now we have to make the denominator 195. We can multiply with opposite denominator. Also it means 13. In 13 table how many times? 15 times, and 15 table 13 times. Okay, so we have to multiply here with 15 and here with 13. Now after multiplying, minus 6 into 5, 15. 15 6 are 90, minus ka 90, and 13 sevens are, it will be 91. Okay, and denominator 195. After this, denominator become 195. Now what you can do, you can now subtract two numbers, because minus 90 and plus 91, plus minus minus. So when you will minus, then plus minus minus 91 minus 90 will be 1. So 1 upon 195. Now this is a proper fraction, no need to change into mix. Common fourth, minus 3 upon 8 minus 7 upon 11. So no need to change two sign into single sign, already single sign. Next we have to remember, make denominator equal. So here 8 and 11 LCM will be 88 is the common number which used to come in the table of 8 also and 11 also. Or we can make denominator equal by multiplying with the opposite denominator. So here 8 multiply with 11 on numerator and the denominator. Here 11 multiply by 8 to make 88. Okay, so 11 threes will be 33 minus 33. 11 8s are 88, 7 8s are 56, 11 8s are 88. Okay, now denominator become 88. Now minus 33 and minus 56. Minus minus will be plus. We have to think what we have to do, plus, because minus minus plus. Minus 33 minus 56 will be 89. And now which is a greater number? 56 is a greater number. So we will put sign of minus. It means minus 89 upon 88. Now this is in simplest form, but this fraction is an improper fraction. Denominator is lesser than the numerator, so we have to change into mix. To change into mix, we have to divide, and when you will divide, you will get 88. Ones are 88. Okay, 1 is left, so 1 upon 88. So minus 1, 1 upon 88 is the answer. Come on, fifth part. Minus 2, 1 upon 9, minus 6. So this is a mixed fraction, so you have to change first in improper, that is 9 to the 18, 18 plus 1, that is 19, minus 19 upon 9, minus 6 upon 1. Secondly, you have to check, you have to make denominator equal, because whenever we subtract or we add two rational numbers, we have to make the denominators equal. To make the denominator equal, take the LCM of 9 and 1 always will be 9. It means number and 1 LCM will be always number itself. Now we have to make the denominator 9. This is already 9, so you multiply by 1 times, or if you don't want to write 1, you can leave like this only, because whenever you multiply any number with 1, same number came. Okay, so now to make here 9, you have to multiply 1 by 9. 1 9s are 9, 6 9 and 6 9s are. Okay, it means you have to multiply numerator and denominator with 9. Now 19 ones are 19 minus 19 upon 9, and 6 9s are 54 upon 9. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to now subtract two rational number. For subtract, first you have to check the sign. How? Minus 19 and minus 54 is there. So minus minus plus you have to do. So minus 19 minus 54 will be minus 73 upon 9. Now this is an improper fraction. Change into mix, and to change into mix, what you have to do? 9 8s are, it will be 72. Okay, 1 is left upon 9, to minus 8 upon 9, it means quotient, remainder upon divisor. Okay, it means minus 8 1 upon 9. So here we have completed our question number 2. Question number 3 we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.